Alright, what is that again? What is it? 1407. What is it?
1407, yeah.
Some chocolate item? Alright.
Yeah, chocolate,
Yeah, of course. Oh, English. Oh, yeah. Enter your product number.
1407.
€1, eh?
That's it. Let's process.
Process my order. Coins in the coin seat. I think that's the coin slot. How did it get stuck?
So is that the scam?
This does not work. This would be very... maybe it's broken. Yeah.
Well, don't you need to put it in and squeeze it? Put it in?
It's very complex. Of course, I need the Australian kid to teach me how to use a vending machine. Oh, there it goes, there it goes. Oh, where's it going? Oh, it's going in a box, you can't even see it. It's a mystery. I assume it's getting selected.
That's amazing.
Alright, Prudy. My order is being attended to. Oh, it opened.
Snap. That's amazing.
Oh, it's cold.
Wow, it is cold. Good food.
Take your... Oh, look at that. There it is. Life size. I could sell you in here. Like, we could put you in here, dude. You'd fit.
Dude, how many euros?
How many euros? I don't know, dude. You're a rare specimen, man.
At least 250.